Hi, it's me, John. Today I'm going to tell you a short story about my last installation job at a large cryogenic gas company. I had to install a new globe valve between two existing pipes. Not a very difficult job, to be honest, but unfortunately, the lack of space due to the existing pipes prevented installation. Luckily, I had the globe valve FullX from HEROSE. Thanks to the new design of bellows in bottom position. This helps me a lot because I can even fit the valve upside down. This market innovation makes installation easier than ever before. Thank you, HEROSE.